Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. So mga learners, I am here to teach you again. Isa na naman itong dagdag kaalaman. Welcome grade 11 students. You will learn the techniques used by the geologists to know the age of rocks and fossils. Okay, our topic for today has something to do with relative dating and absolute dating and geologic time scale. The relative dating and absolute dating are said to be methods. So these methods, we have to use it on how to determine the age of rocks and how to determine the geologic time scale. The most learning competencies. Number 1. Describe the different methods used to determine the age of stratified rocks. Number 2. Explain how relative and absolute dating were used to determine the subdivisions of geologic time. Geologic time scale refers to a record of the Earth's history based on the events interpreted from the rock record and fossil record. So this time, unwrapping the secrets of the past, the scientists have to use relative dating and absolute dating. Take note, the fossils of younger rocks are different from the older rock layers. The geologic timescale is divided into 4 eras: the Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and the Cenozoic. Precambrian is the oldest and the longest era. It is divided into Hadean, Archean, and Proterozoic. Hadean Aeon of Precambrian time occurred between 4.6 billion and about 4 billion years ago. This time, the mantle, the core, and the crust tends to form. The Precambrian rocks are the foundations of the continents. Great volcanic activity and intense thunderstorm lead to the development of the first organisms. At the very start of the Archean Aeon, the atmosphere is composed of methane, ammonia, and other gases. The Earth's crust cool and continental plates begin to form. Now, after billions of years had passed, the life first appear on Earth in the oceans. And these organisms are the stromatolite cyanobacteria. According to the study, these are chemoautotrophs. They are the anaerobic bacteria. Sila yung mga organisms na kayang mabuhay kahit walang oxygen, and sila nag-absorb ng carbon dioxide, and then finally they were able to release oxygen. Proterozoic Aeon. The Ediacaran biota are unique sessile creatures on the seabed and took their food from the water. Now they appear like leafy structures, soft-bodied without skeleton, mouth, and digestive system. The bacteria, algae, and jellyfish also appear during this period of time. Phanerozoic Aeon. It means visible life. It is divided into eras: the Paleozoic, the Mesozoic, and the Cenozoic. It is the beginning of early life. All the continents have come together to form the supercontinent called Pangaea. It is characterized also by the development of terrestrial plants. Trilobites, snails, sponges were common in the Ordovician period. The Silurian period, the earliest land plants appeared, and the Devonian period is known as the age of the fishes, wherein the sharks or the cartilaginous fishes are common. Then, the first amphibians also appeared in the Devonian period. During the Mississippian period, you will be amazed by the appearance of the large insects. Malalaki ang dragonflies. They are 76 centimeters in size, or as big as an ordinary size eagle. Pennsylvanian period, this time the reptiles appear on land. The formation of mountains also happened during this period, such as the Appalachian and the Ural Mountains. Mesozoic era. Climate during this time is mild. Palm-like trees, cone-bearing trees appeared. The first dinosaurs came into life during the Triassic period. Then it is being followed by the Jurassic period, wherein the large lizards or dinosaurs are very common. Then Archaeopteryx or the early bird came into life. It is said to be the time when Pangaea rifted or broke into Laurasia and Gondwana land. At the end of the Jurassic period, the impact of large asteroid causes climate and vegetation changes. This is probably the reason why big lizards became extinct. Now it is being followed by Cretaceous period, wherein the flowering plants evolved. Cenozoic era. The age of the recent life, I'm referring to the age of mammals. This time, the continents moved to its present position. However, Ice Age occurred. After that, flowering plants, fruits, grains, and grasses evolved. The reptiles that were able to survive the Mesozoic time or era are the turtles, crocodiles, lizards, and snakes. I said the age of mammals, so meaning to say humans evolved 40,000 years ago. This is the time where the most complete record of any era happened because of the development of tools to determine the age of fossils and rocks.